Hello people, and welcome to Tungsten Electricals Limited, where we deal with a variety of electrical accessories, from switches and sockets to lights and other electrical fittings. So today on this episode we are going to feature and the question is, how do you determine the right shower head for your bathroom? So here we'll start with your water. So water in your bathroom can either be fresh or salty. You can also have borehole water. So borehole water can also be fresh or salty. We have showers specifically for fresh water, such as these ones, and we also have showers specifically for salty water, and those usually we recommend those that have a copper shielded element, such as this one. The second thing you consider is your water pressure. So your water pressure should be able to satisfy the size of the spreader that you're going for. As you can see, we have shower heads with small spreaders, we have shower heads with large spreaders, we even have shower heads with more than one spreader. And with the help of a technician on site, you can be able to be advised on the right shower head to go for, considering that. And last but not least, we have the budget. You should consider your budget as you're going for a shower head. So what we have for us, we have showers ranging from 1,100 to 40,000. Before we start, I want you to know that today we'll be looking at Lorenzetti showers for fresh water. So since all of them are for fresh water, the only thing we'll have to consider is your water pressure and your budget. So an episode where we'll be featuring showers suitable for fresh and fresh borehole water. So for starters, we have the Aqua Family. We'll start with the Aqua Star Ultra, followed by the Aqua Jet Ultra. We also have the Aqua Wave Ultra, the famous Aqua Storm Ultra, and lastly we have the Aqua Duo Ultra. So the Aqua Star and the Aqua Storm are combined in the Aqua Duo. I've arranged them in order of the size of the spreader. We have the Aqua Jet Ultra, which is a smaller version of the Aqua Wave Ultra. Getting down to the performance and the features, starting with the Lorenzetti Aqua Star, it has high performance even with low water pressure, since the spreader is quite smaller compared to the other spreaders. It's also tiltable at an angle of 180 degrees, and it gets to give you more concentrated jet flow of water. For all these showers, they come as a complete set. So in the package, you'll find there is the shower head, there is the telephone shower, there is the temperature control stick, and there is also the manual, which can be used if there is any difficulties in installation, or you can also call us, of course. All these showers are wall mounted and they're very easy to install. To forget that they also come with a variety of color and tones to choose from. The Aqua Family is available in 4 finishes. We have the plain black, we also have plain white. It is also available in black chrome and white chrome, which you'll be seeing throughout the whole video. The power consumption rate of this category is of up to 7,800 watts. The rating is between 220 to 240 volts. All these showers have 4 temperature ranges, which allow for gradual and precise temperature selection, that is from cold to hot. And for those of you with solar systems, I would like to let you know that these shower heads are solar heating compatible. Like, how amazing is that? You can get to use them as instants, and you can also get to use them as with your solar system. So for those going for a modern and classy finish for your bathroom, this is just the right one for you. Definitely we have options to choose from. We have the color, we have the shape, and of course not forgetting the exclusive design for the telephone shower. So if you're looking forward to have that forgettable, Q-tip experience, like, yo, this is it for you, darling. So you can shop with us at www.tungsten.co.ke. We offer installation and delivery services countrywide, and we have our Black Friday offers running, where you'll get to enjoy crazy discounts on the showers, lights, and much more. The link to our website is right in the bio, where you'll get this and much more information. And jumping right into our next category, we have the multi-temperature stroke turbo family. So these are showers that have more than one model, which is categorized by either they have an inbuilt pump or not. So the first one is the dual shower. There's the dual shower turbo. We have the dual shower multi-temperature. The dual quadra, which currently we have in only the multi-temperature model. We also have the Lorenzetti Advance, which is available in two models, that is the multi-temperature and the turbo. The other one is the Top Jet, which is available in actually three models. The Top Jet Turbo, which is the model with an inbuilt pump. It has 4 temperature ranges. It comes as a complete set. That is the telephone shower kit, there is the temperature control stick, and the shower head. The second one is the Enatronic. Its temperature is from 0 to maximum, and with this you get to adjust the water to your preference, the temperature of the water to your preference. The third one is at multi-temperature. It has 4 temperature ranges for gradual and precise temperature selection. And with that, let's get down to the features. And we will start with the Lorenzetti dual shower. So for this shower head, it has 2 spreaders. That is the turbo model, meaning the model with an inbuilt pump, and the other model is the multi-temperature model. You get to choose these models depending on your water pressure. That is, if your water pressure is good and can be able to satisfy the 2 spreaders, you can go for the multi-temperature model, that is the model without an inbuilt pump. Alternatively, if your water pressure needs a little bit of some boosting, you can go for the model that has an inbuilt pump, that is the turbo model. This family comes in different shapes and sizes, from the dual shower to the dual quadra. We also have the Advance and the Top Jet, as we have seen. And for the models with 2 spreaders, that is the dual shower and the dual quadra, you can get to use them either individually or simultaneously. The first wide spreader gives you a large whole body coverage, and the small shower head gives you a concentrated, let's say a directional and a stronger jet flow of water. And the smaller head is actually tiltable at a 90 degrees angle. These models have a wattage of between 5.5 kilowatts to 7.5 kilowatts. Their voltage is between 127 to 240 volts. Their replacement elements are also readily available, and they are very easy to replace. You should know that with such spreaders comes with saving water and electricity, and a very satisfying and relaxing experience, of course. And those of you with the solar systems and boiler tanks, I would like to let you know that converting that into an instant shower is very possible at a very affordable price, with just a little bit of wiring, and you're good to go. All these showers are readily available. They are also affordable. They are wall mounted, and they are very easy to install, and they don't actually take up much space. All these products and much more are available on our website at www.tungsten.co.ke. And moving on to our next category, we'll be featuring the normal instant shower head. And we'll be looking at these 4 models, starting with the Lorenzetti 3T. So it has 3 temperature ranges. That is the size of the spreader. It has been written designed for hard and salty water, but typically it's just a short-term solution if you're using it for salty water. Same as the 4T, it has 4 temperature ranges. The spreader is quite large compared to the 3T. We also have the Ducha Relax, which works very well with low water pressure. The other one is the Loren Bello. So it also has 3 temperature ranges, and it comes with a free mounting arm. The mounting arm actually gives you really very neat installations, as you'll see. The 4 models come in 3 colors. We have white, we have gray, and blue. The kit contains the shower head, the telephone shower, and the manual to help while doing the installation. When installing these shower heads, you'll need a shower arm, and you have 2 options. You can either go for the plastic one, like the one that's there, and it gives you a really very neat installation. You can also go for the metallic shower arm, like the one that's there. That is depending on your preference and maybe your budget. Also, you get to choose these shower heads depending on your water pressure. And that is why it's highly recommended that you have a qualified technician on site who will help advise depending on your water pressure, the most suitable spreader for you. For this that require a shower arm for installation, the shower arm is also available separately. You can find it at www.tungsten.co.ke. Thank you very much for staying through. So we've come to the end of our episode. Let's meet on our next episode where we'll be featuring showers suitable for salty borehole water and extremely salty water. Feel free to leave a comment or a question, and until next time, stay home, shop online.